Thing's going. Oh, he's got the ball. Oh, he's going. He's going. Oh no, he lost the ball. The ball's going. He's like, no. No one can have this. Oh, the ball. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Oh, he takes the ball and throws it. Micah's got the ball now. He's bringing it back. And he throws it in. And Micah still has the ball. Becca takes the ball. And she's going for the goal. Goal! Thanks for running around in circles. And he's running.
Okay, my dog's not doing figure eights in the yard.
By the way, everyone, my name is Foxyplier. Welcome to this video. Today we're going to be watching my dog play soccer, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll try and get some more videos posted. But anyways, please enjoy. Oh! Tank, why are you not getting the ball? And he's inside. Okay, so I'm just going to now record just regular soccer. They're going. And, oh, who's going to win? Oh, Levi's got the ball. And Becca now takes the ball and she's, oh, who's going to get it? Who's going to get it? Oh, and it's out. Wait, is the player coming back? Yep, he's back. Tank is back. He's back, everybody. I think he's going to take a break. He's heading out for this. Oh, and Becca makes a goal. It is now 1-0. Okay. I don't think that's how you play soccer. You don't spin the soccer goal around. Oh, Becca has the ball again. She's going. Goal! It is now 2-0 on Becca's favor. Levi's team is not doing so good because Levi's goalie has left.
She doesn't realize that I just put it on her hand.
Leah's goalie has left, and they're trying to get the bigger goal now. Oh. So. Come on, who's gonna win? First to 3 points wins. Actually, first to 5. And Becca makes her third goal. 3. Man, they are not. Levi's team is not doing so good. Levi gets the ball. He kicks it, and it's turned around. And